I remember very clearly that when we first started out in the wall printing industry, we faced one massive challenge. People would see a video ad and love the technology, but they often felt hesitant to simply trust us right away. This happens because at the end of the day, a client needs to be 100% sure that they are letting true professionals into their home or office rather than an unreliable company. That is precisely why having a professional website is such a crucial element of this business. It immediately establishes your credibility right from the start. And if you don't know me yet, hello, I am Rafi from Wallprinters. In this video series, we take a close look at every individual part of our offer. Today, we are going to cover our web design service from A to Z, an optional service you can get from us when you purchase a Wallprinter Pro. Let's get started. When I talk to new entrepreneurs about building their online presence, I very often hear, why do I need a full website right away? Can't I just create a Facebook page and won't that be enough? That is usually where they hit their first reality check. A Facebook page is great, but it is simply not enough, especially in an industry like wall printing where the service is extremely visual. Your potential clients need to see what the final result looks like, understand the process, and build trust in your brand. Your website is your virtual catalog. It is a space where you have complete 100% control. When a potential client searches online for wall printing services in your area, they need to land on a place that looks completely professional, has clear contact details, presents a transparent offer, and showcases a gallery of your past work. Without this, even if you master operating the printer itself, you will struggle to make sales. That is why, right from the beginning, we wanted to give you a complete, powerful tool for acquiring new clients as part of our package. We decided to offer this service for a very simple reason. We noticed a repeating problem whenever our clients tried to hire an external agency to build their website on their own. An external agency might be great at graphic design, but they usually know absolutely nothing about the specialized wall printing industry. As a result, you have to spend a huge amount of time guiding them step by step and explaining how this business actually works from scratch. You also have to constantly monitor their work to make sure there are no factual mistakes on the site. If you don't supervise them closely, you will usually end up with a website filled with generic statements and empty filler text that completely fails to convince your clients. That is why we decided to handle this for you and deliver a ready-made website. We know this industry inside out because we have completed countless projects over the years. We know exactly how to structure each section and what text to include so that the website actually sells your services without wasting your valuable time explaining everything to external contractors. Let's get down to the details. How does this process work in practice? And how do we build a website for you? We wanted to make this process as smooth and painless as possible for you, though it does require a small amount of input on your end. Once we agree on our collaboration, I'll send you a link to a special online form called a project brief. In this brief, you simply select which sections you want to include on your site, whether you need a contact form, and what style or color scheme best fits your vision. This allows us to tailor the look to your company's identity. If you already have a company logo, great. You simply attach it to the form. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. In the exact same form, you can indicate that you need a logo design, and we can prepare that for you as an additional service. Another key detail is your online setup. For the website to work, you will need a domain name, which is your web address, and a hosting account on a server. You pay for these yourself so that you remain the sole legal owner of your website assets. Once again, if you have no technical experience with this, don't worry at all. We provide clear, simple instructions on how to set this up quickly. Once your domain and hosting are ready, we get straight to work. Once you have filled out the brief and we finish our work, what is the final result? You receive a fully functional single-page website, a modern, sleek digital business card where visitors navigate smoothly by scrolling down through the different sections. The website comes fully styled with graphics and structured to showcase your business in the best possible way. All the text and information are compiled based on the details you provided in your brief, meaning the overall message is customized to match your company right away. Here is the most important part. We do not make you dependent on us technically. Once you approve the design, you receive all the login credentials to your new site. You become the full administrator of your website. On top of that, we provide you with a dedicated video guide. Thanks to this tutorial, if you want to replace a photo, add a new project to your portfolio, change your phone number, or create a site backup a few months down the line, you can easily do it yourself on the WordPress platform. You get complete independence and a professional online presence ready to help you win your very first clients from day one. As you can see, when designing our overall offer, we really thought of everything, from spare printer parts to how you present your business to clients online. If you like this approach to business and want to start with full professional support, visit our website using the link in the description, fill out the short contact form, and we will be happy to call you back. If you are already in touch with one of our advisors and have an offer sitting in your email, simply let them know that you are ready to get started. Before you leave, check out the description below. You will find a link to the complete playlist for this series where I break down all the other elements of our offer in detail, including training, technical support, servicing, and our community. That is all for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.